Hey TTC family, it's Miss T here and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be learning about the color red. We're going to be learning on how to spell and write the word red. So go ahead, grab your pencil and a piece of paper and let's get started. So the word red has 3 letters and those letters are R, E, D. And R-E-D spells the word red. Now I want you guys to spell the word red with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. R-E-D spells the word red. Awesome job. So now we're going to move on and now write the word red. So TTC family, we're going to be writing the word red 4 times. So we're going to split it up. We're going to write the word red 2 times using capital R or big R, and then 2 more times using lowercase r or little r. So let's get started on writing the word red 2 times using capital R. So the first letter in writing the word red, it is R. And remember, we're using capital R. The second letter is E. And then the third and last letter is D. And R-E-D spells the word red. Let's go ahead and write the word red one more time using capital R. So we know our first letter in the word red is R. After R, we have E. And after E, we have D. And R-E-D spells the word red. Nice job, TTC family. So now we're going to move on and now write the word red 2 more times, but this time we are using lowercase r. So we know our first letter in the word red is R. But remember, TTC family, we're using lowercase r. Our second letter in the word red is E. And then our third and last letter in the word red is D. And R-E-D spells the word red. Nice job. So now we're going to go ahead and write the word red one more time using lowercase r. So our first letter is R. After R, we have E. And after E, we have D. And R-E-D spells the word red. Nice job, TTC family. So TTC family, today we learned how to spell but also write the word red using capital R and then also using lowercase r. So you guys did an amazing job with learning how to spell and write the color red. So TTC family, I have a little challenge for you guys to do at home. So I want you to go ahead and try to see if you can find something in your house that is the color red. Go ahead, go for a hunt to try to find something that is red. It can be anything. It could be a t-shirt. It could be, food. It could be anything, shoes, anything that's red. Go ahead, see if you can find it in your house. And then in the comments below, have your parents help you comment the item that you found in your house that is red. All right, TTC family, bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey TTC family, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.